Hi, good evening. Interior renovations. Sorry, I forgot to ask your name. I don't think you mentioned it anyway, but for the purpose of the video, if you're tired of posting on social media trying to get clients, this might be a really good alternative, at least to have a perspective of another option on how people are doing business, right? So if we go to Google, if I type kitchen remodel contractor, I forgot the services that you have because I saw your business card posted, but I forgot. But let's say kitchen is one of the ones that you do. The first thing I see here is this is guarantee by Google guarantee. This is just like Google Ads, but they require more documentation from your business so they can know that you're legit. If that makes sense. Then we have our map section. If you have a Google business profile, you can definitely be here. And how can you be here? If you have relevant content, optimized images, and reviews. You need to reply to those reviews, right? We'll talk about content in a little bit in a few seconds. But yeah, if you want to be here, same thing. Like I said, your profile needs to be optimized. If you don't have one, create one. Is that's easy. I mean, it's free. So they'll ask a few questions, but this is nothing. I'm pretty sure you know about it. Then we have the organic results, and this is when all the action starts kicking in. On number one, we got Chicago Kitchen Remodeling Company, cheap renovation, you might say. Then you got 123 remodeling. You have masters, kitchen and bath, Chicago's remodeling experts. But just a quick, interesting stat is that 70% of the people that do a Google search, they only go for the top three here on the organic results, and of course the top three here on the map section. So that means that more than 70, I mean, I'm sorry, more than 30%, um, over more than 70% won't scroll down, right? Not even go to the second or third page. So let's keep that in mind. Now, let's see why these guys are ranking number one. What are the benefits of that? And the see what are they doing? If we look at the website, here's the thing, and don't get me wrong, anybody can have a website for as little as $0 a month to 10, I think Wix charges like 20, something like that. But what most people tend to underestimate, especially web developers, is that if you want your website to be showing up on Google, you need to have relevant content on your website. And it seems that these guys understand what I'm trying to say here. When I say content, I'm talking about all the text that your website has, all the readable text. And why it is important? Because when you add content, you need to add keywords. For example, like we see here, kitchen remodel contractor, right? They have to have that keyword around here, surrounded by relevant content talking about that. And this is one of the things that, like I said, people tend to ignore. But the truth is that Google reads it, every website, and it's not that they actually have a human being, it would be perfect, but they have this algorithm going on. And if the content doesn't make sense on their end, of his copy from another place, they know that you your website is never gonna rank. Okay, you can see here they have content here, they have reviews here, they have a lot of things going on, they have links here, so they know what they're doing. Now, I use this tool called Ahrefs, and what this does, it picks data from any website based on Google criteria. So we can see here that these guys have over 1,100 words of keywords. They're being found for over 1,100 keywords, and they have over around 966 backlinks. Now, what are backlinks? Backlinks is other sites or other websites that are mentioning your business name or your name or your website. And this will give you the power so you can be ranking and keep climbing on Google searches. Think about like a popularity contest. The more people you get to talk about you in a positive way, the more relevant you're going to become, the more relevant you will stay. And you will climb positions, right? Same thing happens here with Google. Same exact thing. So let's see what kind of keywords they're being found for really quick. And of course, let's see. Kitchen remodeling. That's a national keyword because somebody in California can be searching this. And if you're in Chicago, what's the point? But here's the good stuff. For example, kitchen remodeling in Chicago, there's 400 searches a month. That means that roughly 400 people search this every month, right? And because they're ranking number four, they're getting 49 visits. If you ask me, those are easily translated to 49 chances they get to get a client that is looking for a kitchen remodel in Chicago. Basement remodel in Chicago, 350 searches a month. And because they're ranking number 4, they get another 43 visits, 43 chances. Okay. And the list go on. Contractors Chicago, another one that you might be interested in. 200 searches a month because of ranking number 3, they get another 23. So if we do the math here, you can see here Chicago Contractors, Kitchen Remodeler Chicago, Remodeling Contractors, they rank and they know the value of that. So I don't want to take too much of your time. I hope you find this information useful. And to wrap it up, you can have a website, don't get me wrong, but you need to have relevant content. And if your competition has around 2,000 words of content, you should have double that. And it has to be Google Google proof, if you will. Okay, so I hope you find this information useful. Like I said, if you're tired of posting on social media trying to get clients, this might be a really good alternative to get a website up and running and have those people landing on the door of on your footsteps, right? If that makes any sense. But again, thank you for replying to my message. If you have any questions, please let me know. But overall, other than that, thank you for watching.